kind of feeling a hat today, but I'm not sure if it goes with the outfit. I think it does. Okay, I'm gonna wear this hat too. It's from Ralph Lauren. I don't know, it's my dad's. Okay, so I didn't really explain it well this morning, but today is May 11th, 2022, and we're going to the gym. I have to be there by 9, but she has to be there by 8:30, and it's currently 8:01, and it takes like half an hour to get to the gym, so I guess I'll talk to you guys when we get there. We just got finished with the gym. It's 10 o'clock. We are going to the mall now because I don't know if I told you guys, but we're going on a hike around like 1-ish, 2-ish. I didn't know what to wear, so we're gonna go to the mall and go to Lululemon to see if I can find anything that I can wear. I think I'm either gonna get the Swiftly Tech long one or I have the like jacket thing, but it might be too thick because it's like gonna be like 73 degrees. I'll also be on top of a mountain, so I don't know. Yeah, so I'll see you guys at the mall. We finished at the mall. It's 11 o'clock. We're going back home now. The mall was like so empty because it's 11 o'clock on a Tuesday. I got something from Lululemon. I got a shirt that I'm gonna wear for hiking today. Yeah. So we just got home. I'm gonna have some cereal. I normally use oat milk. So I like this oat milk. Actually, I like the Kirkland oat milk that you can get from like Costco. So we have the plain oat milk. Okay, I finished breakfast. So it's currently 11:58. It says it'll take about like 40 minutes to get to the trail we're going on. We're not exactly sure how long the trail is yet, but we'll see when we get there. So we just got to the trail. It says it'll take about 2 hours to complete. We don't know if we're gonna go the whole way, but maybe just like partial way. Yeah. So it's like 1:43. We've been hiking for about an hour. Now we're on our way back down because I have to meet with someone around like 4 o'clock. So we have to be back for that. It was a fun trail at Mount Tammany. So we finished our hike. Now we're headed to a hot dog place. So we're just gonna get hot dogs. And I think I'm gonna get a burger though, because I don't really like hot dogs. And then I think we're gonna go to Rita's, because it's on the way home. Yeah, go.
Classic Johnny hot dogs, Route 46. Gotta love it.
It's like 7 o'clock. I just got off the call with my tutor and I ate dinner. We had like a salad. We ordered food from like this restaurant down the street. But the hike was very fun. So if you live like near northern Jersey, I really suggest it. I'm gonna insert some more pics here. Come on, keep it real. Come on, keep it real.